What is up, guys? Welcome to this week's episode of HomeCraft Cocktails. Cocktails you can make for the comfort of your home. My name is Briss, and today we'll be going over the Tequila Sunrise. Now, the original recipe for the Tequila Sunrise was initially comprised of tequila, soda water, creme de cassis, and lime juice. This original concoction was created back in the 1930s or 40s by a guy by the name of Gene Sullett, and it was served at the Arizona Biltmore Hotel. Now, the newer, more popular, modernized version of the cocktail consists of tequila, orange juice, and grenadine, and it was created in the early 1970s. This newer version of the cocktail was created by two bartenders by the name of Billy Rice and Bobby Lozoff, and it was served at the Trident Bar in Sausalito, California. This modern version of the cocktail actually achieved notoriety when Mick Jagger tasted it at a party that was set to kick off the Rolling Stones' 1972 tour. Once Mick Jagger tasted it, he basically just got all his band members together, told them to taste it as well, and they just instantly fell in love with it. From that point forward, every time they made a new stop along the way on the tour, they ordered this drink. It went so far as for them to even call their tour the Cocaine and Tequila Sunrise Tour. This alone greatly pushed the drink's popularity in those early 70s. But along with that, furthermore, Jose Cuervo actually put the recipe for the modern version of the Tequila Sunrise on the back of their bottles in 1973. Also in that same year of 1973, the Eagles, which was another very popular band in the early 70s, they released a song called Tequila Sunrise that was released on their Desperado album. These infusions into pop culture set the precedent for why this drink became such a major hit, and is the reason why we still know this drink to this day. And now, with that brief history lesson out of the way, let's get down to actually making the drink. So like I said, the Tequila Sunrise is actually very easy to make. You only have 3 ingredients to deal with here with tequila, orange juice, and grenadine. But first things first, you're going to start by putting ice in your Collins glass. After that, you're going to pour 2 ounces of Blanco or silver tequila into your Collins glass. Next, you'll want to do 4 ounces of orange juice. It is recommended to use fresh squeezed orange juice, but no one has time for all of that. That's a lot of work. So store-bought orange juice is perfectly fine for that. After your orange juice, then you want to do 1/4 ounce of grenadine. And when you put this in your glass, you do want to layer it as softly as possible. So with the help of the back of your bar spoon, you can kind of gently just pour over the back of that, and the grenadine should kind of cascade to the bottom to create your sunrise effect. Now, usually you would want to shake or stir your ingredients that you poured into your cocktail. However, with the Tequila Sunrise, to maintain that layering effect, you do not want to do that. So after you poured your ingredients into your glass, all you have to do now is just garnish it with a maraschino cherry and an orange slice. So I have an orange slice here that I have from a day or two ago from another cocktail I made. But it's essentially you just cut an orange in half to create half of an orange, cut that in half to make a wedge, and then cut that in half to make a slice. Make a small indentation in the middle. You can set it just like that. And then for your maraschino cherry, you can just open up your jar, take your tweezers, and just place a cherry right on top there. There we go. And you just drop in a straw. And there you have a Tequila Sunrise. And now that we have our drink, let's give it a taste. So with the Tequila Sunrise, it really tastes as good as it looks. I mean, it's refreshing, citrusy. You can honestly drink it any time of the year. Obviously, you know, it has a more summery, springy theme to it with the sunrise appearance. But you can really drink this, I mean, at night, in the afternoon, in the morning. It does not matter. This is a all year round, anytime type of a drink. Also very beginner friendly. You do not have to be someone that is an expert in cocktails or who has a very large palate to enjoy this drink. And the best part of it all is that the drink is not only easy, but also very cheap to make. The El Jimador you saw me use is only $17. Orange juice you can get for $4. Grenadine you can get for about $7. Altogether, that comes up to about $28. And you can make tons of these with that. With that being said, guys, thank you for watching this week's episode, and I'll catch you next week for the next round. Peace.